rack from Flatline Van Co. Cole's currently assembling this for Scott's build. It will be housing 600 watts of solar. Okay, it is Monday, I think June 3rd. What's the date today? Is it the 3rd? Okay, I missed a few days. It is June 6th. Today, Cole is working on the FVC rack, the Flatline van rack. It looks like it is all currently assembled and he is now fitting the 600 watts of solar. Okay, Cole is currently installing the front fairing, little wind deflector on this unit. What's the difficulty level so far? What? Difficulty level thus far.
It'd be a lot easier if they give you instructions.
So no instructions, but...
Like Lego.
But it's like Lego, it's going well. Cole is currently installing the solar rack. What do you need?
I just want to open the fan.
I could do that.
They were in the electrical box.
Holy night. Okay, close it please. According to my calculations, we should have a 1/4 inch. Cole is currently testing the fitment of the rack on top of this vehicle. The roof vent, the max air fans, they're very tight. You have about a 1/4 inch on each side, I believe. Let's go see what it looks like. Okay, this is the fan, and this is the gap. Perfect fit.
Right in front of you?
Yep.
If you look down, how much is it hanging past the body line?
You are almost exactly flush.
Exactly flush, right?
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna get any more of this. These holes are so out to lunch.
Really?
I had to...
On the feet themselves?
No, the feet are fine. The roof. Like, I had to use the die grinder just to
stretch them out a bit.
Oh yeah, and like we're talking almost half off.
Okay, so Cole's currently fitting the placement of the rack side to side, making sure it fits with room to spare on this fan here. He's putting it up in 2 pieces. So this is the front portion with the fairing. It's holding 2 Renogy panels. So this is 100 watts. The one beside is 100 watts. And then the 2 panels at the back here, they're each 200 watts. Anybody walk by my record tape anywhere today? There seems to be some commotion going on in the shop. The lights keep going on and off. We've got an awning test going on. Did it work?
Yeah, it should be, like by the time, you can't open the awning completely right now, right? So by the time it's completely open, just let it hang more. Keep going. Oh, there. By the time you get the awning fully opened, it'll be enough. It should be enough. Like I said, you're not gonna come out here and shave in a mirror. It's not that bright, but.
What do you think, Frank? Bright enough?
It's gonna have to work. Woo! Much of an option.
Watch the van.
Okay, it's the end of the week, and Cole has done a lot on this build. Well, Cole among other people. Cole got the awning on, the roof rack installed, and the LED lights installed.
With the awning closed? Yeah. I don't know, do you want to see it with the awning closed?
Yeah, let's see it.
Somebody turn the main light off here.
Middle one?
Yeah, just the middle one. It's shining off the van, right? But once the awning's right open, it lights up the canvas of the awning.
Oh, it does?
Yeah.
Okay.
We didn't have it all the way open because we were going down the room, right?
So we could just install a mirror on the bottom of the awning.